Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off block unknown account messages on WhatsApp. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the WhatsApp application. Once inside, you'll see the main screen with your chats menu. Step 2. Now, look at the top right of your screen, where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on them. Step 3. Next, locate the Settings option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the Privacy option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down to locate the Advanced option and tap on it. Unfortunately, Block Unknown Account Messages is turned on. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select the Block Unknown Account Messages option to turn it off instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.